we're just dumbfounded, right? Or it's too hot. I'm dying. It's Jack.
There's got
actually a real thing. Yeah. So when you showed the picture, took a picture of like a stroller, pretty small. So is there a vision where you can put say like STL, pretty solid,
Okay, so yeah, so we've got this prayer match. So we got to parametric model. Up in the X design, we're already getting to that. Parametric model.
So it's in the works.
It's in the works. All that stuff, even the one so
West here.
I'm hanging out, so if you have questions, come on up and we'll have a chat. But thanks for bringing time.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you, Scott. Let's give him a round of applause. That was a really good. FYI, Scott got off the plane like a second before he had to be here and rushed up from Atlanta and got here on time and did a great presentation. So one more round of applause for the Atlanta traffic. So as you can tell, SOLIDWORKS, AI, they're going to go hand in hand, and it's happening already. The Aura Leo tools are available, current versions, if you're subsettings, not everything. And you know, we want you to get acquainted with those. If you have any specific projects in mind, we want to
There's also, if you guys are interested, if you go up to wherever you go to the collateral from 3DEXPERIENCE World, all the presentations are up there. I actually did a presentation at World this year on leveraging cloud services, even though I'm in PDM, or even though I have another data management system. So it kind of not quite as heavy on all the companions, but it's still showing you what happens if you at least open up that channel, what you can take advantage of.